Hello everyone, how to towards the back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can change your name and username in Threads app. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So I just brought the Threads app on my home screen, so I'm just going to click there. Once I click Threads app, or when you click Threads app, then you'll get the home page, and then again click here the bottom right corner on your screen. It's called the human icon, so I'm just going to click there. Once I click there, then you will see the option like edit profile. Okay, so once you click edit profile, then simply click, and again you can see name, or you can see two options. Ragib Noor, it's your name, and Ragib Noor BD, it's your username. Okay, but you never change it here because this Threads app associate with Instagram, so you must change it through Instagram. So once you change your name and username on Instagram, then this app and in this app your name and username change automatically. Okay, so once I click there, then you can see the option your name and username are sensed in Instagram. That's why you have to change that there. So this is really short and you can change there. So okay friend, today is Noma, and thank you for watching.